Most people lose money on free trials for one simple reason. They forget to cancel on time. It sounds basic, but it happens every single day. Here's the truth no one tells you. Free trials are designed to be convenient, but they also rely on timing mistakes. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how the Walmart Plus trial works, when you need to cancel, how to avoid being charged, and the safest way to stop billing before it starts. Let's start with the basics. Walmart Plus is a subscription service that offers benefits like free delivery, fuel discounts, and faster checkout options. When you sign up, you usually get a trial period before the first payment begins. Now here's where it gets interesting. The trial is not just free time. It is a countdown. If you do not cancel before the billing date, your card is automatically charged. Step 1 is knowing your exact trial end date. This is the most important detail. You can find it inside your Walmart account under subscription settings. Do not guess this date. Always check it directly. But here's the problem most people face. They assume they will get a reminder. In reality, reminders are not always guaranteed, so you need to track it yourself. Step 2 is going into your account settings. Open the Walmart app or website, go to your membership section, and locate Walmart Plus. You will see your trial status and renewal date clearly displayed. Step 3 is cancellation timing. The safest strategy is to cancel at least 24 to 48 hours before the trial ends. This gives the system enough time to process the cancellation and avoids accidental billing. Now imagine this simple example. Jake signs up for Walmart Plus to test grocery delivery. He forgets the date and assumes he can cancel anytime. The next day, he sees a charge on his card. This is exactly what you want to avoid. Step 4 is actually canceling. You go into the membership settings and select Cancel Membership. The system will ask for confirmation, and sometimes it may offer incentives to stay. You can ignore those if your goal is to avoid charges. Now here is something most people miss. Even after canceling, your benefits usually continue until the trial period officially ends. That means you do not lose access immediately. Step 5 is confirming cancellation. Always check your email or account status to make sure it says canceled or not set to renew. This step removes any doubt. Also remember, if you signed up through a third party or a promotion, the cancellation steps may appear slightly different, but the principle is the same. So, to wrap it up, canceling a Walmart Plus trial before being charged comes down to 5 things: knowing your end date, checking your account, canceling early, confirming cancellation, and tracking your email. If you remember one thing, it is this. The safest cancellation is early cancellation, not last-minute action. If this helped you avoid unwanted charges, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple guides like this.